Hey everyone, welcome to this step by step guide on how to sell your domain on Flippa, the leading marketplace for buying and selling online businesses, domains, and websites. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know to list your domain and start attracting buyers. First of all, go to flippa.com. Link is in the description. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. After that, fill in your details and create your account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you are logged in, head to the top navigation bar and click on Sell Now. From the drop down menu, choose Domains. Then search your domains. Now you will be asked to fill up out the details of your domain. Enter the domain name you want to sell in the first field. After that, you will be prompted to select a domain category. Choose the one that best fits your domain. For example, if your domain is related to e-commerce, select the e-commerce category. You will need to set your pricing. You can either set a fixed price for or choose an auction format. If you are unsure about the value of your domain, you can use Flippa Domains Valuation tools for guidance. Make sure to price it competitively to attract more buyers. Now it's time to add a description. Write a clear and concise description of the domain, highlighting its potential and any traffic or revenue stats if applicable. This will help buyers understand why your domain is valuable. Don't forget to mention any relevant keywords or SEO ranking. After filling out all the details, review your listing to make sure everything is accurate. Once you are satisfied, click Publish. Your domain will now be live on Flippa and potential buyers will be able to view it. Once your domain is listed, interested buyers may reach out to you with questions. Make sure to respond quickly to any inquiries to keep potential buyers engaged. And that's it, you have now listed your domain for sale on Flippa. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Good luck with your sale.